The project name is Online Payment Fraud Detection. So this is one web application. It protects online payment from the fraud. So it checks in real time to keep the transaction safe. So here we are creating this by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also Flask is used to create the web. So it is mainly used in the Python, and the SQL is used to build the secure the platform. It is detect any fraud, then it sends the alert message to the users. So here only the admin can manage and review the transaction because to stop from the fraud before it's happened. Okay, now see the code. So this is our database. First we are creating one table as for the payment, and then we are creating one table for the users. So this is our app. So this is our app. Here we need to first import the required libraries. Here a Flask is imported, render template request from the Flask. So it is mainly used in the Python, and we are using here workzip.security. So it is a password hashing. It's nothing but it will convert the plain text password to the fixed length. This will happen by using cryptographic algorithm, which is nothing but it is mostly used in coding. So to secure and protect the password from the user we are getting. And then we are using dot environment. So it will load the environment variable. So first we need to set up the Flask app. So app equal to Flask of double underscore name double underscore. So we need to secure that. So we are adding app to the secret key. So and then we are creating one function to connect the database. So MySQL we are connecting the server. After that, we need to get mail and the password from the users from the environment variables like OS. OS is nothing but operating system. So next we are creating one function to generate the OTP. So that length should be 6 and randomly it will generate some numbers. We are writing the functions to send that OTP to the mail. So OTP will be generated and the mail will be and the OTP will be sent to the mail. So by using route, we will create a for registration and OTP verifications and for password confirmations like that. Route is nothing but it is a URL pattern for the web applications. So here for registration, first we are generating OTP and sending OTP to the email. It will be temporarily stored into the database. After that, verifying the mail so that OTP will be entered here. So if it is correct, it will log in. If it is not, it will give some messages. After that, we will create a new password and it will be stored to the database. So if it is not, if the OTP is not come to the email, so and then we can resend the OTP. So it can come again to the mail as a OTP and we can enter it to log in. If user forget their password, by clicking forget their password, again we will generate OTP and it will send to the email. And if user enter the correct OTP, then it will enter into the login page. So this is for reset password. So these are the code. This is for check if email is correct or not. So this is for login, that mail password, and then it is connected to the database, and it will at last, if the user entered into the application, their database will be permanently saved in MySQL. This is for logout. This is for fraud preventions and safe transactions, real or fake details. So these are will be created by using that route. So now I'll explain how it is working. So this is the admin history. I will explain the code here. So now I will run the code. So we need to copy this URL. We need to paste here. So this is the online payment fraud detection. We have created this web page. So this is the slide. This navigation is created for the profile detection admin help login. So we'll see the profile. To see profile, first of all, we need to log in. Before login, we need to register there. So I have already registered. Directly, I will log in here. So see here, it is showing the payment successful, no fraud detection found. So this is for admin. In code, we have already stored that in one variable as admin username and admin password. So we'll copy this. So this is the admin's playlist. Only admin can see this. So these are the users and their phone number and amount, payment dates. Only this page can log in by admin. So if we have any question, we can contact by this. So this is user's profile. We can log out.